taken here breast pieces, boneless chicken. I have cut it into small pieces like this, and I have washed it. And now I will marinate this chicken with barbecue sauce. It's easily available in all the grocery shops. If you use the barbecue sauce, you did not to add here salt. I'm using here 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1.5 tablespoon of barbecue sauce. Add here lime juice, 1 tablespoon. Mix it all together, and I will add here, for spiciness, I will add here red chili sauce, around about 1.5 teaspoon, and I will marinate this chicken for about 45 to 1 hour. I have kept the chicken for marination, and now I will take a beetroot and I will peel, and with the help of a slicer I'm going to slice the beetroot here. If you don't have a slicer, you can cut it with the knife, but we need here thin slices. Instead of beetroot, you can use here potato also. See, I need thin slices of the beetroot, or if you do not have beetroot, you can use potato too. Now I will take it in a bowl, and I will add here half a teaspoon of salt and marinate this for around about 20 minutes. And now the chicken pieces here, after 1 hour, I'm going to add here 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour and equal portion of maida or all-purpose flour, and coat this well with the chicken. And I'm going to make a celery. I have taken here 3 tablespoons of corn flour and a little pinch of salt, and I will add water here and make a celery out of this. Mix it well so that there is no lumps. Now I'm going to assemble this. I'm taking the slices of the beetroot. I told you, you can use here potato too. Now I will dip it into the cornstarch celery and arrange one piece of chicken here, and just fold the beetroot and take a toothpick, and just I'm going to prick the chicken, and so that the chicken is stick with the toothpick well. It's sealed, and see, this kind of thing we need. And I'm going to set it aside, and rest of the chicken pieces I'm going to do the same. Firstly, I'm going to dip it in the cornstarch celery, and then put a chicken piece here. Just fold the beetroot and prick a toothpick to secure it well, and set aside. The rest I'm doing, and see, everything is done well. And now it's the time to fry. I have placed a pan with oil into it, and I'm going to deep fry these pieces. By dipping the beetroot or the potato into the cornstarch celery, it will make the outer skin crispy, and your chicken from inside will be juicy. And see, it's fried. We'll fry it till golden brown, and it looks amazing. Red color in between the chicken pieces. It will look amazing. Serve it hot with some sauce and enjoy this quick snack.